Today I'm going to show you how to do the knit stitch. So you want to start with your yarn in the back, and you're going to go through the front of the stitch, wrap the yarn, pull it back through so you have this loop, and then knock this loop off. Okay, so go through the front, wrap your yarn, bring it around, back under, and then knock this stitch off. So go through the front, wrap your yarn, come back through, and knock it off. So again, go through the front, wrap your yarn around, come back through, and knock that stitch off. Okay, so one more time slow. Go through the front, wrap your yarn around, come back through, and knock that stitch off. And that's how you do the knit stitch. Thank you for watching.